It's really amazing to be here tonight and not only support all the realtors in San Diego, but you know what? We have a lot of folks with Pacific Sotheby's International Realty. They're up for awards tonight. We're here supporting each other and do great things for our community. Here tonight in Del Mar, California at the Hilton. And tonight is the NSDCAR, so the North San Diego County Association of Realtors is having their awards and installation gala. What's up, man?
How you doing there?
Doing good, brother. Hi, Sparkly.
I know.
You look amazing.
I told her she always looks good.
Yes, she does. Woo! You're looking good. So tonight we're going to start off with a cocktail hour, and then we're going to go into the program where they're going to give a lot of awards out, do the installation of the officers, and have a great time tonight. And I can't wait to see a bunch of my peers who are doing amazing things in real estate. Can I just get a quick raise of your hand if you have served in our military? Please. See one back here. Many back here in the back. I see you back there, Bob. Thank you. Each and every one of us appreciate you writing that check, which was blank, which could have been all the way up to the price of your life. And we'll never forget that. And for all of our first responders out there, thank you as well. Okay? So, American flag is right here. If you will please put your hand over your heart and repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And thank you so much. Thanks, Stacey. Thank you. Tell you what, it's really exciting to be here with so many great real estate agents. And you know, we're closing out 2019 with a real bang, but I tell you what, I'm excited for 2020. And I know I've got a lot of great things in store, and I'm sure that some of the other real estate agents do as well. But the more we get out and we meet these other real estate agents, not only here in our own backyard in San Diego, but across the nation, I tell you what, I'm excited for what Tim Kirk team's got in store.